Have you ever wondered how to use color theory in your garden design? Color is a vital tool in creating captivating gardens, setting mood and atmosphere. The primary colors, blue, red, and yellow, along with secondary colors, green, orange, and purple, are the building blocks. Color theory can help you create a garden that is visually appealing and evokes the right emotions. The first step in applying color theory is understanding color relationships. Imagine a color wheel. Colors opposite each other are complementary, like red and green. These create a vibrant contrast in your garden. Then, there are analogous colors, those neighboring each other on the wheel, like yellow and orange. These provide a harmonious, calming effect in your design. By understanding these relationships, you'll unlock a world of possibilities for your garden's visual appeal. Knowing these relationships can guide you in choosing plants and decorations with colors that harmonize with each other. Now that you understand color relationships, you can create a color scheme for your garden. Start by balancing warm colors, like reds and yellows, with cool ones, such as blues and greens. Don't forget to utilize neutral colors like white, black, and gray to create contrast. For example, a monochromatic scheme uses different shades of a single color, while a triadic scheme employs 3 colors equally spaced on the color wheel. With a color scheme in mind, you can start planning your garden design. The final step is implementing your color scheme in your garden. Start by selecting plants and flowers that correspond to your chosen hues. Don't forget, the color of foliage, not just flowers, can contribute significantly to your overall palette. Garden decorations, too, can enhance your color scheme. Remember, color perception varies with light and season, so your garden's look may transform throughout the year. With careful planning and consideration, you can use color theory to create a visually stunning garden. Color theory may seem complex, but it can make a world of difference in your garden design. Remember, it's all about understanding color relationships, creating a color scheme, and implementing it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.